about to show you how to boost your grammar skills while playing this fun game. And trust me, you're gonna love it and you'll be surprised how much you learn. So get ready to learn the 5 tenses, but not in a boring way, I promise. So this game is designed for beginners and intermediate level. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Hey guys, thank you for playing along with me today. I hope you like this game. And if you have a grammar tip or you have a grammar mistake that seems to trip you up, leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other stuff, my other videos on language and grammar. And I see you next time. Bye bye.